Welcome back to your Toolbox Tutors 2-minute drill. And this will be example 5 of graphing linear functions in slope intercept form. By the end of this video, you'll be able to graph this linear function. In this example, notice that we only have y equals 5. 5 does not have an x with it, so this means that 5 will be our y-intercept. So we begin graphing this line with the point 0, 5. Since we don't have a term with an x, our slope is 0, so that means we go 0 down, 0 right. So how would we find other points on this line? Here we have y equals 5. This tells us that any x value we plug in, the answer is going to be 5. So we have a line going across left to right on 5. And this would be how you would graph the line y equals 5. Thanks for watching the video. Connect with us at Toolbox Tutors on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to get more content for your math toolbox.